In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212 on Windows. If you're on a PC or laptop, the good news is you absolutely can use Trading 212 on Windows. There isn't an official Windows app though, so the best and most reliable way is to use the web platform in your browser. It works smoothly on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. And while Trading 212 is primarily known as a mobile app, the web version is fully functional and gives you access to the same core tools. Start by opening your preferred browser. In the address bar, type trading212.com and press Enter. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. Sign in with your account details just as you would on your phone. If you're asked to complete a verification step, go ahead and do that. This could be a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or a quick device verification. Keep your phone nearby so you can complete that step without delays. Once you're signed in, you'll find that almost everything you expect is available on Windows. You can buy and sell stocks directly from the web platform with clear order screens and real-time data. If you use pies, you can create new ones or edit existing ones, and you can rebalance your portfolio when your allocations drift. Charts and news are easy to access, so you can zoom into price action, switch timeframes, and read updates that might affect your positions. You can also deposit or withdraw funds securely and set price alerts to stay on top of movements without keeping a tab open all day. In short, the same core features you're used to on mobile are right here in the browser. If you prefer the experience of a desktop app, there's an optional trick to make the website feel like one. In Chrome or Edge, open the Trading 212 website. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From there, go to the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share, then choose Create shortcut. When the prompt appears, check the option that says Open as Window. After you confirm, Trading 212 will open in its own dedicated window without the usual browser tabs, and you can launch it from a shortcut like a regular app. It's the same secure web experience, just cleaner and more focused. That's it. Use your browser for full functionality and optionally turn it into a windowed shortcut if you want that app-like feel on your PC.